as I get it. Me and my blunt, yes, I'm gon' get it. Me and my blunt, let me roll this up. Then I'ma go get it, and I'ma go get it, then I'ma go get it for them snitch ass niggas. They gon' go get it. My goons come through, and they gon' roll with it. We killing everybody that's in your town. Even the witnesses, leave nobody around, because it's on when I hit the block, sitting in a damn drop, on 2 foes, how you like it? No, you niggas not. You niggas hating on me. We'll fold. Maybe if you come join my team, you could get dough, but you niggas standing behind the glass, man. Turn your frowns into smiles when I come around. But fuck you, nigga, I'll take over your town. And all you bitch niggas gon' bow down to me because I'm a G from that Compton town. CPT, 153rd Street now. I know you niggas don't really like it though, but I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna spit like I smoked the draw. Every day, all day, the hour, y'all. Fuck you, you niggas bitches, y'all some cowards, y'all. Man, but I don't really know what to say about y'all, man. You niggas is bitches, hating ass snitches. I'm trying to get rich, kid. You niggas don't like to see a nigga doing good, man. But fuck it, I'ma spit flames and sizzle your damn fucking brain. Crack an egg up on that, now you got a fucking omelet, man. Ha! At the meet, your girlfriend come through for show. I'm gon' be, then I'm gon' ski up inside her drawers, and I'ma knock down the walls. And you gon' have to put some putty on it, put some putty on it, never cutty buddy on it. After I hit it, she moving on. That's how I want it. Soon she leave, I had her twist me up a blunt. Then we smoke it, then she don't hit it, then she gotta shake. Bitch, you think you finna smoke all my weed up? Hell no. Only thing you good for is a damn nut. And that's it. Move on to the next bitch. Monday bitch, Tuesday bitch, Wednesday bitch. Get it, bitch? Flows never written. It's coming off the top of the head. It's how I spit it. Man, I just killed it. Yeah.